Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Foodie Mom. I hope all of you are doing good. So friends, in today's video I am showing you how to prepare instant Uttapam with very simple ingredients you need for this recipe. So I really hope that you like this recipe. But before we start with the recipe, please go and subscribe to my channel so that you and I can connect, and also hit like to this video and do comment when you try this recipe. So for the ingredients, I have taken a cup of rava, that is semolina, and half cup of curd, homemade curd, and some water will be using. About 1/4 cup of tomato chopped, and 1/4 cup of onions, some chili flakes, and salt to taste. Now let's start with the batter making. Dropping in the semolina, curd, put water little by little. I have just put the half quantity, some chili flakes, salt, and about 2 tablespoons of coriander. You can use any other vegetable also, like capsicum, broccoli, or cabbage, whatever you like in the Uttapam. I am putting in coriander because I like the flavor of it. Mixing everything well. In some more water, but very little. As you can see, our batter is ready. Now we'll let it rest for about 20 minutes and we'll see you after that. So after 20 minutes, checking the batter, and it's ready. I have added just 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and it's nice flowy. Now let's prepare the Uttapam. In a non-stick pan, brush some oil and we'll wait till it gets heated. Once the pan is heated, we'll put a spoonful of batter, and then we'll garnish it with onion and tomato. You can add other veggies also. Today my mood says for tomato and onion Uttapam only. Since it's instant, so I use less of veggies so that I can save my time. And now we'll be dropping some more oil onto it, and we'll press it a bit so that veggies can just stick onto the batter and they don't move when we toss it. So now we'll let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on low flame. After 3 to 4 minutes, let's toss it. Press a bit and we'll cook on this side for another 3 to 4 minutes. 3 to 4 minutes, again changing the side, and our tasty Uttapam is ready to serve. Let's serve it. Here we go. I'm gonna enjoy it with mint chutney and sambar, vegetable sambar I have prepared, and its recipe is there on my channel. Please go and see it too. And this is my instant rava Uttapam. I really hope that you like this recipe. If you do not forget to subscribe my channel, leave a comment and hit like. And for the mint chutney also, the recipe is there on my channel. You can easily find it. Also, I'll link both of the recipe of sambar as well as mint chutney in my description box. I'll see you next time with another video of mine. Till then, take care. Bye.